Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, how are you guys? I hope you are all doing good. We are now under PKP fasa 2. So hopefully everything is okay. Everything is under control and you are all everybody sihat walafiat semua. So hari ni we are going to get back to work. We are going to get back to class, to the syllabus, okay, that we are not able to cover before the PKP. Alright, so now today I will start with the income tax planning. For those yang dah sempat I cover sebelum PKP hari tu in the class, ada yang I tak sempat tunjuk you the calculation, the working, how to do the tax computation. Alright, but to be fair, sebab ada satu kelas lagi yang belum sempat langsung untuk cover the income tax planning, so I will start from the beginning. Alright, first of all, I hope that you have with you your textbook. Okay, I have a simple slides with me, but it is better for you to have a textbook. So kita akan tengok together. Okay, sama-sama. Alright, so a lot easier for you lah untuk you tengok the textbook and the slide at the same time. I will explain. Alright, so hopefully you already have your textbook with you. So please turn to page 65. Okay, 65 is the income tax planning. Alright, on page 65, income tax is a tax on taxable income received. In this chapter, income received by an individual from employment, interest, dividends, rental and much more will be emphasized. So let me show you the slide. Okay, personal taxation. Alright. Okay, we start with the income tax planning. Alright, so this is the simplified one. Okay, it's a tax on taxable income received. Okay, but however, not all incomes are taxable. Ada yang dikecualikan or exempted from tax. Okay, and then we are going to look at the objective why we do the income tax planning. Okay, it's because to understand anything relates to personal taxation and to minimize amount of taxes that have to be paid to the government, right? Okay, so this is slide number 1. Next, okay, we move to page 66, Malaysian tax system. Alright, so in Malaysia, incomes of individuals are taxed once a year. Okay, so the individuals here referring to the all employees in Malaysia. Okay, so we are taxed once a year. Alright, but the income earned in the previous year is assessed and taxed in the year of assessment, which is the following year. Okay, meaning to say here, income that we received last year, okay, is to be assessed in the year assessment 2019, which is this year 2020, because we cannot do the year 2020, alright, because the year this year is not yet completed. Okay, so we can only do the tax returns once the year is already completed. Okay, with all the income and expenses, okay, that have done for a year, right? So that's why kita akan buat untuk year assessment 2019. Okay, so that's why I asked you to download the tax relief for the year assessment 2019. Alright, okay, to make it short, the third bullet, okay, referring to the third paragraph in your textbook, the Inland Revenue Board, IRB, or also known as Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri, LHDN, is the one of the main revenue collecting agencies of the Ministry of Finance. So kalau kat Malaysia ni kita ada LHDN lah. Okay, the body that are responsible to collect the tax. Alright. Okay, next, assessment of income. So here is on page 67. Alright, under the Income Tax Act, Section 4, income is assessable under 6 different classes. So kita nak tahu, okay, what types of income that are taxable. So it could be 6 different types. Number 1, trading or business income. Okay, number 2, employment income. Number 3, if you receive dividend, interest and discount. Okay, number 4, rent, royalties, premium. Number 5, pension, annuities. And number 6, any gain of income, nature not falling within any of the preceding classes. Okay, these types of income lah, dipanggil classes of income. So if you are receiving any of the income from any of 6 here, so they are to be taxable. But macam I cakap tadi, okay, in the first slide, okay, not all income are taxable. Okay, there is income that is not taxable. Okay, employment income still on page 67. Alright, income of an employee include wages, salaries, remuneration, leave pays, fees, commissions, bonuses, gratuities, perquisites and allowances. Okay, this is a type of income lah. So for the employment income, like macam ala bagi contoh the government servant, orang yang makan gaji, okay, yang receive salary, sometimes receive bonuses, okay. So this is a type of income yang kita akan add up nanti dalam aggregate income. Okay, bullet number 2, please refer to your textbook page 68 to 69 for the types of dividends interest that is exempted from tax. Yang ni macam I highlight tadi, not all incomes are taxable. So here kalau I nak explain banyak lah. Okay, so that's why I ask you to refer to page 68 to 69. Okay, untuk you tengok what are the examples of the dividends that are exempted from tax. So kalau I concluded from here, okay, dividends ni, dividend yang you receive from the society ataupun the body that are linked to the government. Like, okay, kalau you tengok number 1, dividend received from cooperative societies. Okay, cooperative societies, dividend received from unit trust approved by Ministry of Finance like Amanah Saham Bumi Putra, ASB, and then dividends received from unit trust approved by Ministry of Finance where 90% of investment is in government securities. Okay, so ini I baca from page 68 lah. Okay, besides that, there are some interests which also excluded from income tax. Okay, for example, interest accrue respect in savings or investment in BSN. Okay, nampak tak yang macam link dengan government ni. Okay, apa lagi? Interest savings on deposit up to 100k with a registered cooperative societies like Bank Pertanian Malaysia, MBSB, Borneo House Mortgage Finance Berhad. Okay, lagi interest which accrue on a savings deposits up to 100k with a bank or finance company license under BAFIA. Alright, ada lagi interest which accrue with respect of any fixed deposit account up to 100k juga. Okay, not exceeding 12 months with Bank Pertanian Malaysia, Bank Kerjasama Rakyat, BSN. Okay, samalah macam tadi MBSP. Alright, okay. Yang ni to be more detailed, you can read it by your own on page 68 to 69. Okay, so that's the contoh lah, that's example of the incomes that is exempted from tax ataupun tak dikenakan cukai, dikecualikan daripada cukai. So what I'm talking about, so this is the next slide, the format tax, the format of tax computation. So this one also you can refer to page on page 79 actually. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, kita nak buat the case for the client ataupun dalam case study lah. Alright, we are going to add up total up the aggregate income, which is the aggregate income is come from the salaries or if there is any rental income ataupun dividends received, and then minus the donations. Any types of donations such as contohlah kalau kata ada donations to YAPIM ataupun donations to MAKNA, Majlis Kanser Negara, ataupun give to government. So this one, the types of donations and give to government, apa yang di-allowed, benarkan untuk you tolak dekat sini. Okay, you can also refer to the LHDN website. So, ada banyaklah types of donation, or in the textbook you boleh refer, but this one is not updated version. Sebab benda ni kan dia renew atau updated from year to year. Okay, kita ikut apa yang di-announce oleh PM in the budget. Okay, so this one you can refer to the LHDN website. Okay, and then aggregate income minus donation, you akan dapat accessible income here. And then minus relief. So relief ni is the tax exempted ataupun pengecualian cukai. Alright, so this one I kata refer to the current list of relief in LHDN website. Okay, contohnya ada relief for individual, spouse. Spouse ni kalau dia buat combined assessment. Kalau tak buat so combine, buat separate assessment, so tak adalah spouse. And then children, lifestyle, banyak lagi. Nanti kita akan go one by one. So yang ni mungkin the next slide lah, I akan go one by one. Okay, after you minus the relief, kita akan dapat the chargeable income here. Okay, and then from the chargeable income, kita akan calculate the gross tax payable, which is macam mana nak baca, is for the first, okay, yang ni you are going to refer to the tax table. Sama nanti I akan tunjuk kat mana. Okay, tax table, and then dapat for the first berapa yang dikenakan cukai. For the next berapa, dia akan darab lah dengan berapa persen, and then you akan dapat the gross tax payable. And then minus rebates such as zakat, STD. STD ni stand for scheduler tax deduction, STD. And then sometimes ada juga dia guna term MTD, monthly tax deduction. And then section 110. Dan I tanda star dekat sini, section 110 ni, only if there is any taxable dividends income received. So maksudnya if the individual declare dividends, okay, is one of the aggregate incomes here, so dia akan tolak balik kat sini. So of course lah, dividend yang ini adalah dividend yang taxable lah, bukan dividen macam kalau kata dividen from ASB atau tabung haji or something like that yang kita dah discuss just now. So tak payah declare kat sini. So kalau kata contoh lah dividen apa? Dividen if contohlah dia ada shares Astro, okay, dividends from Astro. Contoh dia declare kat sini, so dia akan dapat tax rebate dekat sini. Tax rebate sebanyak berapa? So yang ni depending on the corporate tax. So biasanya ni dia akan bagi dalam question 28%. Okay, next, after you minus all the rebates here, you akan dapat the net tax payable. Payable ni if the amount is in the positive figure, so kena bayar lagi lah, kena ada tambahan bayaran to the government or LHDN. And then if there is tax refund, tax refund ni if the amount is in negative figure. Okay, but you see here, the refund only applicable when there is STD. Kalau dia tak ada STD, if there is no STD, tak buat potongan gaji pun, dia tak akan dapat refund pun. It's just kalau dia negatif tu cuma dia tak perlu bayar cukai lah. Itu saja, dia tak akan dapat refund. Okay? Alright. Next. Alright. So this is the link to LHDN website, okay, to see the tax relief. So let's go to the page to see the tax relief. Alright, so here year of assessment 2019. So inilah contoh-contoh. So I rasa lepas ni I akan buat the next session untuk pendekkan sikit video ni. Alright, so I will go one by one. So hopefully you have with you the tax relief only for 2019. Okay, so later I akan discuss one by one apa yang item, okay, in the tax relief. Okay, and then the last one is the Malaysian tax rate for 2019. Okay, let's check on the website. Alright, so it says assessment year 2020, tapi kita nak yang 2019. Okay, sama dengan 2018. So we are going to refer to this one. Okay, for the tax relief and the tax rate, okay, you don't have to memorize all because it is provided in the final exam. So if there is final exam lah this year, hopefully ada lah final exam. Alright, so you are quite lucky because started from last semester. They are lucky because they bagi the tax relief. Sebelum ni memang kena memorize all the tax relief. Okay, and tax rate memang dia bagilah. Dia tak perlu hafal, dia akan bagi. So just kena tahu dan faham macam mana dia buat calculation on the tax rate. Okay, so as for today for the video, so ini saja yang I nak discuss dengan you, the introduction of the income tax planning. So kalau you rasa tak faham, boleh dengar balik video ni. Alright, so I see you later for the next video, the explanation on the tax relief. Alright, thank you. Assalamualaikum. Stay safe and healthy, guys.